Okay, box plots. So I first want to go over the different parts of a box plot. At the very beginning, we have the minimum, our smallest value. At the end of a box plot, we have our maximum, our largest value. The line in the middle is our median, our middle number. At the beginning of the box part is our quartile 1, which we abbreviate a lot of times as Q1. And then at the end of the box is our quartile 3, Q3. So those are the different parts. Our minimum, our smallest value, our Q1, 25th percentile, our median, which is halfway, Q3, which is 75th percentile, and our maximum. Now let's go ahead and review how to make a box plot. So the question says, Jason saves a portion of his salary from his part-time job in the hopes of buying a used car. He recorded the number of dollars he was able to save over the past 15 weeks. So they give you these 15 values of the amount he saved, and we need to make a box plot. So the first thing is to put our numbers in order. If they aren't in order, it's going to be very hard to figure out any of the things we need for a box plot. So our smallest number looks like it's 5. Then we have a 6. We have a 7. We have no 8s. We do have 3 9s, it looks like. Okay, let's see what else we have. We have a 10. No 11s. We have a 12. No 13s. We have a 14. No 15s. No 16s. 2 17s. An 18. And 2 19s. So let's see if we have all 15 numbers. Now they did give us a hint. They said there's 15. So let's see if we have 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it looks like we're missing a number. So let's see which we can find which one it is. 19 we have on there twice. 12 we have on there. I'm going to go ahead just double check and see if I can find it. 3 9s. 1 7. 2 17s, a 10. Do we have more than 1 6? No, we have an 18, 9, 14, 19s. Oh, an 8. I missed the number 8, so I'm going to go ahead and add that. Now, when we were doing this in class, this was one of the most frustrating things to people. They would do all the work and then they would have to start over because they miss a number. So even though it's annoying, go ahead and make sure you have every number before you start. So let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now if you're doing it on pen and paper, you can cross off as you go. My program's a little bit harder to do that with. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and make our list over here of the things we need. We need our minimum, our Q1, our median, our Q3, and our maximum. Okay, so our minimum should be fairly easy. It's just the smallest, 5. Maximum is our biggest, 19. Now our median, we got to go ahead and find that. So let's go back here. And let's go ahead and start checking off. So check. Oops, hold on. Brush. Okay. So let's count that as, let me erase that actually. Let me get a better check mark tool. Okay, so check, check, pause, right? To find our middle. Check, check, pause. Check, check, pause. We're still good. We have 3 on each side. Check, check, pause. We have 4 on each side. Check, check, pause. 5 on each side. Check, check, pause. 6 on each side. Check, check, pause. 7 on each side. And then the middle value is 10. So our median, I'm going to come over here and write it 10. Now we can find our Q1, and we actually have a left side of our numbers, and we have a right side. So let's go ahead and find the middle of the left and the middle of the right, and that will be our Q1 and Q3. Okay, so check pause on the top, check pause, check pause, and our Q1 is going to be 8. Okay, Q3. Let's do the same thing, but to the right side. So check pause, check pause, check pause. It looks like our Q3 is 17. Okay. So now what we're going to do is go ahead and make our box plot. So what we do is we take our 5 values. We found our minimum, our Q1, our median, our Q3, and our max. We're going to put lines on them. So we have a line above 5, a line above 8, a line above 10, a line above 17, and a line above 19. Okay, we're going to go ahead and then connect the ends, the beginning two and the last two, to make our tails. And then we connect the tops and the bottoms to make our box. And we are done. Okay, so it's really about those 5 things: finding your smallest and your biggest, your middle, the middle of the left, and the middle of the right. And remember, if there's 2 numbers in the middle, you can add them and divide by 2. Okay. If you need more help with that, when you look at the median video, we'll go over that a little bit more.